In the middle of rising tension and secret intelligence updates, a very important phone call it reportedly took place. A call between Donald Trump and Benjamin Netanyahu that may have shaped the course of the war. Welcome to Times XP's War Report with me, Priti Yatri. And this was not just another diplomatic conversation, it was a moment of decision. According to reports, new intelligence had just come in, suggesting that Ali Khamenei he was expected to meet key military and political figures at a compound in Tehran. Well, this was described as a very rare gathering and a very high value one. Sources suggest that the timing of this meeting suddenly changed, moving earlier than expected, and that shift it created what was described as a narrow window of opportunity, basically a chance to target the top leadership in a single strike. This type of operation is often referred to as decapitation strike, aimed at removing a country's top command structure, and that too in one move. During the call, Mr. Netanyahu reportedly pushed strongly for action, arguing that this could be the best chance they would ever get. He is also said to have linked the moment to the past threats, including alleged plots targeting Trump, framing the whole situation as both strategic and personal. And at that particular point, the US had already been increasing its military presence in the region, with preparations underway and assets being positioned. While plans were already in motion, the final decision was still taking shape. Reports suggest that this particular call became a critical point, a final push for action. Shortly after, military operations moved forward, strikes were launched, and the whole situation escalated rapidly. Later statements from officials indicated that broader objectives, it was not to limit to a single target here, but it included weakening military capability, limiting missile system, and reducing the ability to project power across the region. And at the very same time, both sides have publicly maintained that their decision it was independent. Netanyahu rejected claims that Israel influenced the US, while Trump stated that the particular decision to strike it was his alone. However, news is not a secret, right? Reports point to a more complex reality far behind the scenes, involving intelligence, timing, and strategic calculation. This moment highlights how modern conflict they are shaped not just on the battlefield, but through high-level conversation and real-time decision. Because sometimes a single phone call it can become the turning point that can reshape an entire region.